Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs on a 2010 VE Commodore. I'm only going to show you one, as all 6 are the exact same. Unless I come into a problem, then I will start recording again. Oh. There we go. So I'm not going to disconnect the coil. I'm just going to pull the 10mm bolt out and just take the coil out and put it to the side. Can I turn it?
Go.
So I'm just going to use this 16mm spark plug socket to remove the spark plug. If you buy a Repco branded one, it has the metal, has the magnets in there. Give me that. So now we're just going to exchange these over, without dropping them. Wants to grab it. Now when you put it in, you want to do it slowly so you don't run a risk of bending the end. So now that it's down finger tight, you just want to snug it up with a ratchet so you don't over tighten it, running the risk of snapping it. So now I'm just going to put the coil back. So that's how you change spark plugs on a 2010 VE Commodore. The rest of them are exactly the same, except for the one at the purge solenoid. Other than that, you should be fine. Thank you for watching.